Something pretty common on the S2000, this is the door switch here, and occasionally you'll notice that your interior light doesn't work, or even the Honda beeps will be erratic. Nice thing is this is completely rebuildable. You can take it apart and fix it. First, you're going to remove this 8mm right here. It's also a Phillips. This is what it looks like on the back side, that little terminal there. Once you get it out, you can unplug that pretty easily. This is your door switch. This rubber, bring it off as one piece, then remove it. So how this works is it's sending this to ground. That is what is activating the light. This is the switch right here. Nice thing about this, it is rebuildable and cleanable. So if you bought one of our kits where you get the little tool for your coil clips or injector clips, you can use this right here. This little tab, you can see that? You're gonna lift up on that right there, and then this, you'll be able to bring it outwards. This, you're gonna take this out right here. And then same on the other side. There's a little tab right there. Lift up gently on there, not too much. And then this will come out. This is what it looks like right here. There's a spring. Don't lose that spring. This is the contacts that you're gonna notice are pretty dirty. You see that? This will remove. You can take the spring out. This, you're gonna clean this. You can clean it with a little bit of light sandpaper, even a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol might work, but you find out these terminals get green. So clean these, and then when you put it back together, you're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on there. I'm gonna show you this here in a second. Let me clean it. You can clean the contacts on this side of the switch also. However, we don't usually see this one being the culprit, but it's a good idea to clean it and put some grease on there. Now we've got our terminals clean. So a little bit of dielectric grease. This is gonna stop that corrosion building up. Just put a little on the terminals right there. Put it back together the same way, the spring. This is gonna go back in here. This is gonna go back on. This is the retaining clip and the ground strap. And then snap it back together. There we go. Now you'll find that switch will work correctly. The rubber, like I mentioned, put this on first. If you put the switch on, then the rubber, you're gonna have a real hard time getting that protective cover back on there. So put this on, and it has a lip that goes all the way around it. Very clever little part, really, really well made. And you gotta love this Honda stuff. The fact that you can actually rebuild it. There you go. Put that back together, put your bolt in there. So that's a pretty simple thing that you can do at home with basic hand tools, and you'll be amazed how well that works after cleaning. In a separate video, I'll show you the same thing on this interior light. This all comes apart. You can do the same thing with this switch. It has the same series of brass connectors, and you can clean it and obviously put some dielectric grease on there. But super easy things that you can do at home to your S2000. So if you like some of these how-to videos, go ahead, give me some feedback. Let me know if that's something you want to see. We'll do more of these in the future. In the meantime, like I always say, thanks for watching and enjoy your cars.